All right, Matt the Mortgage Guy here. In today's video, I'm gonna give some real advice to real folks looking to buy in 2022. Should you wait? Where are rates going? Where are home prices going? What's the best advice from somebody who talks to, potential home buyers, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, day in and day out? As a mortgage broker who closes hundreds of transactions per year, I just try to take what I'm hearing, seeing, feeling in the market and with mortgage and relay it to you to help you make decisions based on your specific scenario. So before I jump into it, if you like that stuff, if you want more straightforward, honest advice from a mortgage broker who's in the trenches day in and day out, consider subscribing, like, comment, do all that stuff. Big thanks, 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. We just hit that milestone I'm excited about. So let's jump into the video. I heard something today and I wanted to kind of touch on it when it, was a big realtor who does a lot of business giving advice to home buyers. It really resonated with me. I really thought it was some good advice. And so I want to share that advice with you. If you're looking to buy a home, and you've decided it's a good time for you and your family, you qualify, it's a monthly payment you can afford, and you want to buy, the best advice is to stay the course. While it may not be easy, inventory's down and prices are up. If it's something that you want to do, stay the course. Whether that takes 1 offer, 2 offers, 5 offers, if you've decided you want to become a homeowner, stay the course. That's the best advice. And so what does that mean? That means that you're not trying to time the market. You're not trying to look for the week where rates dip. You're not trying to do any of that stuff. You're just deciding it's time to buy a house. You know what kind of house, what price range. You're getting real clear with your realtor and you're submitting offers that have a chance of getting accepted. Now, another thing that sparked this video was I looked at some of these notes. I've got 111 people, something like that, currently fully pre-approved, and they're in different stages. Some of them are actively looking, some are actively offering, some have taken a break, some have decided not to buy at all and signed a 1-year or 2-year lease on their next rental. I saw something today, a follow-up my team did, and it basically said not actively looking due to prices being too high. And this is where I want to do my best, providing the best feedback, insight, and advice. I don't think this is going away. High prices aren't going away. Rates aren't getting any lower. It's not going to get much better, in my humble opinion. So if you've decided and you've gotten yourself pre-approved and you're in a position where you're willing and able to buy, like I said in the beginning, stay the course. I'll go over a few stats just because people like stats. These change and, beginning of the year, end of the year, it might be different, but Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, Mortgage Bankers Association, Zillow, Redfin, anybody who's doing anything when it comes to home price appreciation estimates for 2022 is saying that home prices will appreciate. There's a couple outliers that I'm sure you can find that say home prices might go down by 4%. But the vast majority are saying 4%, 5%, 6%. I just saw something where Zillow said August 21 to August 22, they predict 11.7% home price appreciation. Layman's terms, homes are getting more expensive. Then you go down to mortgage rates, and you look at that because it's a direct correlation between what mortgage rates are and how much you can afford, what your monthly payment is. The worst case scenario for a home buyer is that if you're able to and you qualify and you don't buy now, you wait and not only do prices go up, but rates go up. And I can tell you with absolute certainty, because mortgage is my game, that 99.9% of folks who are looking at mortgage rates into 2022 are predicting an increase, right? The Fed has made it clear what they're doing with the tapering of mortgage-backed securities. They've made it fairly clear about, the middle of next year, the Fed funds rate going up, right? So mortgage rates are headed up. They're not going to skyrocket, so don't be in a panic to buy. But if rates are near 3% now, and next year they climb to 3.25, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, that 3.5 to 3.725 is kind of where most people are guesstimating mortgage rates are going to be. That's going to mean it's a little bit more expensive on a monthly basis on your mortgage. So if we take the average of what we think home prices are going to increase in price and call that 5 or 6%, and we take the average of what people are predicting for rates next year and we call it 3.5 or 3.6, homes are going to be more expensive. And so if you're in a position to buy right now, I'm not a smooth talking salesman that tells you act now, time is limited, things are limited, must act. But there's no real good reason to wait. The people who I see notes where they're waiting because prices are high, they want things to change, they're looking for a correction, they're looking for something to change. I don't think it's happening. There's no quick fix for the number one problem, which is inventory. There's no magic switch we can turn on that's going to create hundreds of thousands, millions of homes coming to market to fix our inventory problem. It's just a problem we can't build ourselves out of. We have no foreclosure wave that's going to change things on that front. And so it's almost inevitable that homes are going to get more expensive, not only from a price point, but from a monthly payment point because rates are also going up. So if you're in the market to buy a home and we're nearing the end of 2021, you're looking at buying a home in 2022, my advice to you is you're not going to try to wait and buy, you're going to buy and wait. And over time, I've made it on past videos and I've talked about it until I'm blue in the face. Owning real estate over the long term, you're going to win. You're going to have an asset that appreciates. You're going to pay down your mortgage and see that spread between what you owe and what it's worth over time. It's a great way to build wealth. Are you going to be a Dogecoin millionaire next month or 6 months from now with real estate? No, that's not how real estate works. It's a slow build and it's a wealth building thing over time, right? But there's plenty of benefits to home ownership. You know your specific scenario and your specific situation, whether or not it's the time for you. But that's what I'm going to end with is base when you're going to buy on you and your specific scenario. Don't base it on external factors. Rates are doing this, prices are doing this, the market's doing this. If you're ready and you're qualified, make a plan, go out there and execute the plan. Stay the course, buy the home. Don't do any sort of timing stuff. It's just been proven time and time again, it doesn't work. If you have any questions at all, me and my team are more than happy to help. Go to greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out that quick form, get in touch with us. We'll help guide you, educate you, steer you in the right direction, and hopefully help you become a homeowner sooner rather than later. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And until next time, we gonna see.